Senator Sifuna.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Madam CS, I saw a very curious statement from your ministry on the 17th of March 2025 regarding the circumstances surrounding the deployment of KDF in July of 2024. As you know, I am a firm believer in the freedom of the media. And we must accept that we were all very concerned to see the army in the streets after the protests. And my party leader has addressed certain possibilities given histories in other places, including Sudan and Egypt. What, in your view, or in the view of the ministry, was inaccurate in the report by the Daily Nation regarding the very possibility of this country being handed over to the military in the event the regime collapsed in July of 2024? So you need to tell us, because the statement said that the report by the Daily Nation was false, baseless, misleading, and reckless. Please explain to me what was the basis of that conclusion by your ministry. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, the question by the Senator of Nairobi, Honorable Sifuna, on what was inaccurate about the article by the Nation Media Group. Mr. Speaker, to the extent that the article referred to a military coup, I can only say that it is indeed baseless, it is inaccurate and reckless. Number 3, Mr. Speaker, question by Senator Chute, in as much as it has been declared inadmissible by the Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we are seized of the matter of the Karare land, and I want to appreciate the support of the Senator. We have had discussions, even this morning. He accosted me as I was walking into the House, and we are going to advance the discussions as agreed, Mr. Speaker, and we will need the support of the leadership of Marsabit County, because the military base that is intended to be set up in Marsabit is for the interest of the Kenyans, the Kenya population in general, and more specifically, those communities affected by insecurity situations in Marsabit.